I am Midshipman Yulan Cesar Rangel, first year college student pursuing Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. Why did I choose to take a maritime course? I choose a maritime course in hope to be a seaman once I graduate. I intend to be a seaman to have a stable job that I know I will enjoy and to help my parents financially, especially that they are not growing any younger. How can I respect to others in this class? Give three examples. Respect is not just given to those who are above us but also to those who are with us. I would show my respect by understanding that everyone has their own baggages. It would be helpful and respectful if we are to listen and never judge anyone's opinion. Lastly, I will show it by being fair as much as I can. Complete the sentence. In 5 years, I will be. In 5 years, I will be the person I want to be. A seafarer. I'll be more responsible, more diligent, and be a better individual than what I am now. I will have navigated both the literal and figurative seas, emerging with a deeper understanding of myself and the world. My experiences will have shaped me into a confident and capable person, ready to contribute meaningfully to the maritime community or maritime industry. What legacy would I choose to be remembered by? Anong pamana ang gusto kong iwan sa mundo? I would like to be remembered as someone who is responsible and dedicated, as someone who is achieve his goal to support his family. I want to be remembered as someone that motivates a friend and who bring out the best in people. Thank you.